Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute accessory that you can add onto any article of clothing. I decided to add mine to my shorts for my Just Dance video. You can check out the performance right here if you want to see that. But if you're here for the DIY, stay tuned because it is super easy to do. So what you're going to need is some sequins. So I actually ordered mine on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description if you want to get the exact one that I purchased, but make sure you get the appropriate amount for your project. So you're also going to need a piece of mesh fabric. I'm using this purple piece because it is just what I had lying around. And you're gonna cut out 1-inch wide strips of this. Depending on where you're putting your tassel, you may want to make it longer or shorter, but since I'm putting this on the side of my shorts, this is the perfect length for me and it's about 9 inches long. Next, I'm going to line up the sequins on top of the mesh and I'm going to cut this so that it creates a kind of angle to the sequins when it falls. I would recommend cutting it first so you don't waste any of your sequins. But once you have that all laid out, then you're going to grab yourself some glue. You can use E6000. This is a plastic glue that I found. And what you're gonna do is grab a toothpick and place little dollops of glue on both the sequins and the mesh. I forgot to mention before you do this, you wanna place down something over your table because you don't want to move this afterwards and you don't wanna get glue on your table. So continue adding little dollops of glue on top of the sequins, the thread, and the mesh. Once you have glue all along the top portion of that, place that on top of the strip. Next, I'm grabbing my toothpick and pressing this down. So essentially, you're just sandwiching the fabric between two pieces of fabric. And depending on how thick you want this to be, you can add as many layers as you like. But I'm just continuing onward and I'm doing 3 layers total. So now that you have all of your layers glued down, now you want to add some glue at the bottom of your sequins so that if you're shaking around or moving around, the sequin doesn't fall off of the thread. So I just placed dollops of glue on the back side of the sequins and the thread, making sure to get both of them. So now that your glue is dry, you are ready to attach this to whatever piece of clothing you like. And since I want to be able to remove this, I don't really care if it's attached neatly or nicely or permanently. I am just going to tack this down with a needle and thread by hand and just do really wide stitches so that it stays in place when I do my performance. Now, if you know that this is going to be something a little more permanent, I would suggest taking it over to the sewing machine and sewing it on that way. And now you have this super sparkly, customized piece of clothing that would probably have cost you hundreds of dollars. Okay, maybe not hundreds, but it's definitely cheaper to make it yourself than buy it. So I hope you all found this tutorial super helpful. I would love to see all of your creations. I love seeing how these videos inspire you all to create your own projects, so please do tag me. If you are a fan of DIYs, please be sure to check out some more DIYs here. And also, if you want to see these shorts in action, check out the Just Dance video right here. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you all later. Bye!